Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use lights in Unity to create stunning visuals and realistic environments. Let's get started. Directional light, what it does, simulates sunlight or other distant light sources. It affects the entire scene equally, as if the light is coming from an infinitely far distance when to use it. Perfect for outdoor scenes or general lighting in your game, especially when you need a sun-like effect. Point light, what it does, emits light in all directions from a single point, just like a light bulb. The light fades as it moves farther away from the source. When to use it? Useful for indoor lighting, lamps, torches, or any localized light source that needs to affect objects within a certain range. Spotlight, what it does, projects light in a cone shape, creating a spotlight effect. It can illuminate a specific area, much like stage lighting, when to use it. Ideal for focusing on certain objects or areas, like theater spotlights, car headlights, or highlighting characters and objects in a scene. Area light, what it does, emits light from a surface and provides soft shadows and realistic reflections. This type of light can only be used in baked lighting pre-calculated lighting data when to use it. Best for indoor lighting, such as soft room lights or lighting large areas with smooth gradients of brightness. Ambient light, what it does, provides overall, uniform lighting for the entire scene. It doesn't create shadows or specific highlights, simply brightens the entire scene when to use it. Useful for general scene illumination, especially when you want to soften dark areas without affecting the natural lighting setup. Reflection probe, what it does, captures the surrounding environment and applies it to reflective surfaces like mirrors or shiny floors. When to use it, perfect for realistic reflections on surfaces such as water, glass, mirrors, or shiny objects. When we first open Unity, our scene is illuminated by the directional light, which acts as the primary light source. This light simulates the sun and affects all objects in the scene uniformly. Using the directional light, we can control the intensity of the light, determining how bright or dim the scene appears. Additionally, we can adjust the light's color to create different moods or atmospheres, such as a warm sunset or a cool moonlight effect. We can even configure the shadows of the objects in our scene using this light, allowing us to control their sharpness, softness, and direction. The directional light is a powerful tool for setting the overall tone of your scene, ensuring that your objects are properly lit, and adding depth through realistic shadows. The spotlight in Unity is a directional light source that emits light in a cone shape, perfect for highlighting specific areas or objects in your scene. You can adjust the angle of the spotlight to control how wide or narrow the light beam is, allowing for precise lighting control. Spotlights are ideal for creating effects like stage lighting, flashlight beams, or focused illumination on key elements in your scene. You can also modify the intensity and color of the spotlight to match the mood or theme of your project. The point light in Unity is a light source that emits light equally in all directions, similar to a light bulb or a candle. It's perfect for creating localized lighting effects, such as lamps, ceiling lights, or glowing objects in your scene. You can adjust the range of the point light to control how far the light reaches, allowing you to create both subtle and intense lighting effects. Like other lights, you can change the intensity and color of the point light to match the atmosphere or mood you want to achieve. Point lights can also cast shadows, adding depth and realism to your scene by making objects interact naturally with the light. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.